CapCut PC import tips. So if you want to know the tips of import on CapCut PC, then what you need to do is first you just need to open the application of your CapCut. Once you open up your application, now here on the left side, you will have the import option, right? So if you click on the import, then it will take you to the file destination where you can simply choose a video or a picture or audio that you would like to edit. So for example, I'll be choosing a video. You can double click on it, or you can also simply click on it and then click on open, which will import the video. Once you've imported, now let's see what we can do with this video. You can simply drag and drop that to the bottom. Now here we can see that if you click on this video, a preview will be shown in the player, which is right here. If we go to any ends of the footage in the media tab, we can trim it here and then import our video to the bottom. We can drag that material here, and that part of the video will be here under the preview section. So there are two ways in which you can bring this imported video to the timeline. So the first one is you can simply click on the plus icon to add it to your timeline. Or the second way is you can simply drag that to the bottom and you will add it to the timeline. And in the timeline, we can hover over the video to get a preview. Under the player, you will be having a preview of your video. And if you click on any part of the video and if you go with the split option, then it will split the video. You can simply split the video and then you can choose the part of the video that you would actually want to edit. So you can simply delete all of this and choose the part where you would like to edit. Once you've chosen, now you can simply right click on the video and here you will get several options. You can either copy this and again paste it upwards or sidewards or anywhere. And you will have delete option. You can trim the clip, you can split the screen, but in order to split the screen, you need to have the CapCut Premiere Pro. And then you can also edit it. You can reverse, freeze, mirror, rotate, or crop ratio. You can export the selected clips, or you can create a compound clip, and you can deactivate the clip. You can extract the audio from the video, or you can replace the clip, and you will have all of these other options. So these are the CapCut import tips, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.